Welcome to Tech Vibes. Today, I am showing you how to identify panel failure in your smart TV. If your smart TV screen is acting strange, do not panic. Follow my step-by-step guide to detect the problem like a pro. First, check for physical damage on the smart TV panel. Look for cracks, dents, or any liquid marks. Physical damage clearly indicates panel failure. Next, turn on your smart TV and observe the screen carefully. If you see flickering lines, vertical or horizontal, this could indicate a failing smart TV panel. These lines often appear when the liquid crystal display of your smart TV is damaged. Another important check is for dead pixels on your smart TV. Dead pixels are small black or white dots that do not change color. Clusters of dead pixels suggest a smart TV panel issue. Now, test the backlight of your smart TV. Turn on the TV in a dark room. Uneven brightness or darker areas on your smart TV screen indicate backlight or panel failure. Remember, the backlight is essential for proper color display on your smart TV. Next, inspect your smart TV display for color distortion. If the colors look faded, washed out, or have abnormal tints, this usually points to smart TV panel degradation. True color reproduction requires a healthy smart TV panel. Also, check for image retention or ghosting on your smart TV. If static images remain on the smart TV screen for a long time, even after changing channels or input sources, it could be a panel issue. Perform an external input test on your smart TV. Connect a laptop or media player through HDMI or VGA. If the issue persists on your smart TV across multiple inputs, the panel is likely the root cause. Finally, check your smart TV service menu. Many modern smart TVs have hidden service menus for diagnostics. Look for options like pixel test, backlight test, or display uniformity test on your smart TV. Always power off your smart TV before physically inspecting it. Document original settings before changing anything in the smart TV service menu to avoid worsening the problem. In conclusion, smart TV panel failures show through flickering lines, dead pixels, uneven brightness, color distortion, and ghosting. By following these steps, you can identify if your smart TV screen needs a panel replacement. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Subscribe for more hands-on tips on smart TV troubleshooting and repair.